I just finished filming this look, this complete look. This is my setup over here, and so this is the start of the vlog. Basically, we're going to Mount Abu, and so basically there was unfortunate situations wherein we could not book the. So we booked this bus ticket, but it got cancelled due to some, I don't know what reason. So we immediately got information. Thanks for that. And then we booked this cab services. So you can either go by trains, you can either go by bus services, or you can hire taxi. So this is it, guys. Pack this suitcase and pack this bag, and I'm ready to go. It has all the stuff that I need for filming as well as for my shoots and to enjoy Mount Abu. That's it. You don't need much of the something new that I've recently figured out, that if you add mint leaves to the ice, it gives you readily the nice cool thing that you really require for your face, and it also gets rid of the bumps and all the acne that you have instantly. Not instantly, but it gets all that pigmentation and redness away. So this resort is called Chacha Inn, and it has amazing places like small get-ups wherein you can sit and have your food. You can even go around and take pictures. You can see this is the entrance of this resort. Basically, we enter from here, and this is basically the sitting area where you can sit, have fun. This is that sort of bridge type of a place where you can have a lot of pictures in, and this is where I'm walking towards. This is the place that we're gonna stay in, and this is the place we're gonna take a lot of pictures. Why this is called Chacha Inn? Because Chacha was a famous personality over there in Mount Abu, and it is after him this resort is named. And there you can see there are a lot of cultural events that happen over here. Voila, this is the room that I would be staying in. I'll take you around. So this is the place, and it has so many beautiful scriptures and pictures and a lot of sceneries. And there you go, this is the balcony. You've seen a lot of reels over here, and there you go, see this beauty. It's very hot over here. I am roaming around all the shops. I'll show you all the shops over here. So these are very like small shops, and we have come to Nucky Lake. Okay, so before Nucky Lake you will see a lot of shops, and you can shop for, there are nice jewelries and nice skirts, long skirts, and I like almost the jewelries part are very nice. So I'll just show you around. market, did some Indian wear shopping and some Western wear shopping, and it was a fun day experience. And there's not much to watch here because it is pretty hot, and it's very sunny, it's scorching heat, and you won't be able to go to any other architectural monuments. Or if you want to go to Sunset Point, you have to go out again by 5:30. So that's the plan. So look at my dress. I just bought it from this place in Nucky Lake, and this is so comfortable and so beautiful. It's wine red color, and right now we are going to this place called Sunset View. So Sunset View, it's almost about to be sunset, and we're going to Sunset View now to have a luft of sunset. देखते हैं कैसा रहता है. I'll take you around.
ये आ गया साजी सफेरा.
Oh man, disco. Oh my god.
देखिए सर, असली लोहे की बोल है, जादू नहीं है, कलाकारी है. सोचने की बात है कि इतना बड़ा गुलाब पेट में होता तो टाटा बिड़ा से बड़ा कारखाना हमारा होता. ये है 200 ग्राम का, ये है बस ठहरो, नहीं गिरेगा.
So we also have to undergo the COVID test, and this COVID test was really mandatory before you go back to your place. And there was a strict checkup going on at the borders of Rajasthan, and we had to do it.
The test was so bad. I mean, I just felt like puking up after that. So it was taking more than 28 hours, more than 28 or 48 hours for the reports, and we have to go back by tomorrow. So we just did a lot of India है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो बन ही जाता है. So हमने request किया थोड़ा सा, and they agreed, and finally we are getting the test results by tomorrow. So let's see, hope for the best. Just guess what time is it? It's 7 o'clock, 7:15 over here, and I have just washed my face, and I'm over here to have some walk, do some walk, and sitting by the lakeside feels very nice. And this is not the last day, but this is something that it's just 1 hour towards our departure, and we'll be departing by the cab itself. Couldn't take the risk of corona, So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, whatever I did in this place, in Mount Abu. But exactly, if you want to have amazing fun, if you want to go to this place called Chicha Inn, it is such an amazing place. You will have all the authentic cultural food, the dances, the folk dances, the puppet show, the magic show, everything, drinks and all, everything in one place. That's Chicha. So, Chicha for us was amazing, and yeah, that's it. I loved visiting this place because it's a very nice, short, cute getaway, and I really enjoyed it.